Alright, we're back at the garage, a little later than usual. Don is over here, just came back from Japan. Was out there drifting in the mountains.
Exactly. Well, not, yeah. I have so much, I did so much drifting. You need to see the picture of me on the parking lot that I completely smoked.
So what are we doing?
We still need to clean this brake bracket. The other ones are cleaned, I think, but that's for you to inspect. Because you're the inspection man.
Am I?
Right, at the moment you are.
So we want to use the foot operated.
You can if you want. But first let's see if we can do the valve cover gasket. So I've decided not to paint it yellow at this very moment.
Okay.
Because I first want to see if that's the real leaks, and then if it's fixed, I'm probably just gonna buy a new valve cover. So we do that, and then we can switch it in a day.
Okay.
Because it's only like 100 euros.
Yeah.
Right? And then we can make sure it's tight.
Corbin is here as well. He has a lightsaber.
No. So Jim, can you show me how we get the valve cover?
Corbin is the expert.
Yeah, did he do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, with Jim, you should be equally an expert.
I did not pay any attention.
Tell me, Corbin, what should we do? I have a really nice, I have a really nice working table here.
Yeah, don't scratch my Subaru like that. Just hang that thing somewhere up there.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Tell me, Corbin, what are the steps?
Remove all the
Yeah, so this one is loose.
pipes, this one,
This one. Did you just do this?
and all these spark plugs.
Spark plug.
And Jim needs to switch the cars
Oh, why?
if possible. Because I'm gonna do the backlights.
Oh yeah. He's got some 2002 sex spec. Show them the riser lights. I think my project is gonna be hanging a light bar somewhere around here, so we have more light back here, because this kind of sucks.
I got these loose, Corbin. All these are hand tied now.
And the ones in the back are the most annoying ones.
Yeah.
Those are, I think, were they 14s, 12,
Where?
something? This whole bracket I think needs to come off.
Oh, these ones here.
Yeah, those are annoying. What's this then? Oi, what's this then? Oh, these are lights. Show us. Yeah. So he's got the same ones that Dan has.
Oh yeah, baby. Lights. You can move the Subi.
Yeah, so I'm gonna move to Subi. Dan brought me a JDM Fat Frog. A fat frog.
Okay, so I think we need some
I think it's just stuck on...
gunk.
There we go. Carefully.
You need to shimmy it a bit.
You got it?
Yeah. So, how does it look?
It's alright, I think.
This still looks kinda okay, which bothers me a bit, because I have an oil leakage, it's quite runny, and I don't see anything here immediately wrong.
Where was the oil leakage? On what side?
Yeah, you don't know. I thought it looked like everything leaked. But this is easier, so we first try this.
Well, is this...
Oh, looks the belt. The belt looks okay.
Oh, this is completely hardened up, so your new one is gonna be really soft. The belt looks good.
But mine was like hard plastic. It's like just breaks off.
No, this is better still.
Yeah.
It still has some flex.
Yeah, a little bit, but the new one's gonna be way better.
Okay.
Definitely.
Belt looks nice.
But besides
It looks less crusty than Corbin's.
Yeah?
That's good. Yeah.
the Corbins look crusty.
Yeah, but we cleaned some of the crust off. So we are putting on the new gaskets. You've already seen this on Corbin's car, so I won't be filming much. It's old news.
It's quite annoying to get it on. How did you do it?
There's a nozzle.
Muzzle.
No.
Oh wait, didn't we throw away the nozzle because it was filled with that stuff?
Right.
Can we go straight down?
Yeah.
It's alright. Now these need to be torqued too. Fuck off.
Okay.
Like it's really light. Corbin, do you remember the amount of Newton meters?
I think it was 20 or something.
Yeah.
Like,
But yeah, it's way less than hand tight.
the
Then
amount of torque
So
on
how
that
can we
thing
do-
is more than you need. So you cannot.
yeah, the minimum on that
Is way.
is more than the torque that you need.
So how did you guys do it?
And
How did? Yeah,
Okay, so if you get the order,
we didn't even do the order last time.
well, I tried to do it.
Yeah, but I forgot, so we didn't do it.
okay.
How do you already have like dirt on your face? It was like literally every time.
I just touched my face. I shouldn't do it, but apparently I do that subconsciously. Okay, so what's the order, Corbin?
1.
Let's order pizza.
that matters because you don't want to make it poop.
There's multitasking. That is tightening his nuts, bolts, and ordering pizza at the same time. Alright, valve covers on. Corbin doesn't like cheese sandwiches.
No.
Corbin is a crazy motherfucker.
Dan, did you spec it to torque?
Yeah, perfectly. Perfectly just by feel. That's what I can do. Call me ladies.
Fingerspitzengefühl.
Yeah. Call me ladies for the fingerspitzengevoel.
Hey,
Pizza.
pizza man.
Okay, so let's see if Darko can catch a bit. Darko?
Hey,
Hey. 10 out of 10 catch.
that's the pizza.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, just Domino's.
No.
Darko, do you like the pizza? Yeah. Alright, so meanwhile Corbin is trying to install his new headlights.
So I've removed
The OG headlight,
the OG stock
or tail light,
for this.
the riser lights.
Oh yeah, it's JDM boy.
Is it JDM? So it's more like
No.
2000s Need for Speed Underground.
Made in
spec.
Taiwan. It's always good.
So it's Chinese spec, China spec.
I have no idea how to remove this, so I was like, these work, just let them in. Just,
Yeah, could do that.
well, the OG has these clips to put all the, maybe this thing. Oh,
Oh, you did it.
okay. I thought I was f***ed there, so.
Moment of truth. Will the lights turn on? No. Is that brake? The right one doesn't work. The hazard lights. Okay, so the entire right light doesn't. Oh, you only did the. Do hazard lights?
Okay.
Yeah. So try braking.
This braking.
Yeah, also doesn't work. So the right one we need to address. Okay, fixed. So it was the bulb. Let's do one more test.
Here, if you look at this one, also doesn't look too fresh. You see the top?
I can't really focus on, but it doesn't look too good.
Now the top here is barely holding on, but the other one looked real nice. So
Brake. Yeah, hazards. Okay, fog light, rear fog light.
do we have that?
Yeah,
Where?
this red one. You should have a rear fog light.
No, it's brake.
Isn't this a rear-
It's brake, right?
And what's this red one then?
Which one turns?
Yeah, that's good. Okay, just put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Okay, that's on. But this one is your rear fog. You should have that. By European standards. Where's your rear fog light?
Where's the fog? But this does nothing.
It's in the-
European standard, my ass.
No, what is this light other than a rear fog light? So yeah, maybe MX5s don't have a rear fog light,
We make
but
fog with our burnouts.
yeah, it says the smoke lights.
He
So it is that button. Oh,
yeah.
Corbin started the engine and apparently it is that button, the rear problem. I told you guys, I wasn't bullshitting you. I told you.
Or did you?
Yeah, it works.
And we also told you it's fine, and it's also fine.
Yeah, but now we checked if it's fine.
So everything works?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, so basically we're cleaning up Dan's brackets for his brakes so we can paint them next time. We're not gonna do it this time because it's getting quite late. Getting the last bits out of the nooks and crannies with the Dremel. Next time just sand it over roughly with the sort of brush thing. I guess then we'll get the painting. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. See you guys in the next video. Corbin.
See you guys, bye bye.
Done!